WAEC and NECO examinations has been made easy by the Lagos State Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education with the Eko Learners Support for WAEC and NECO Candidates television program. Join seasoned teachers as they take you through these core subjects: mathematics, English language, physics, chemistry, and biology, targeting the exact syllabus of WAEC and NECO. Watch Eko Learners Support for WAEC and NECO candidates on this station. Learners can also connect with Eko Learners Support for WAEC and NECO candidates through these social media platforms to access more educational content and give their feedback. Eko Learners Support for WAEC and NECO candidates. Pass your examinations with flying colors.
Good day, learners. You are welcome to Eko Learners Support for WAEC and NECO candidates. Today, I'll be your physics teacher, and we're going to be treating the topic, lenses. Let's go.
Eko Learners Support, a support program of the Lagos State Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education for WAEC and NECO candidates.
Like I said, we'll be considering lenses. Lenses. What are our objectives today? At the end of today's lesson, you are expected to be able to state the lens formula and also to describe linear magnification. Lastly, you must be able to solve simple mathematical problems involving lenses. Let's go. Lens formula. Lens formula is given as 1 over f equals to 1 over u plus 1 over v. The importance of this lens cannot be overemphasized because without this formula, you will not be able to solve any mathematical problem as regards physics questions in lenses. So like I said, 1 over f equals to 1 over u plus 1 over v. Similarly, we have m equals to v over u, where f means focal length, either in centimeter or in millimeter, depending on the unit you are given. U is the object distance and V the image distance. The M means magnification. Magnification. For better understanding, let's look at this question together. An object is placed 25 centimeters from a converging lens of focal length 15 centimeters. Find the image distance. B, linear magnification. C, image size if the object is 10 centimeters high. D, the nature of the image form. The image distance from the formula, like I advise, please learn to write the given data so that you'll be able to know what are the things or what is that thing required of you. For example, let's look at this. I'll call it solution. An object is placed 20 centimeters from a converging lens. So we are talking of a converging lens. So is object distance given 25 centimeters. And we are given the focal length f equals to 15 centimeters. Find the image distance. That means talking about V is unknown. So let's start with that. From there, we know that 1 over u plus 1 over v equals 1 over f. We are giving you, that means substitute the given data into the equation. 1 over 25 plus 1 over v, we are not given, equals to 1 over 15. So we make 1 over v, our subject of formula, equals to 1 over 15 minus 1 over 25. That is 15 times 25. 15 in 375 will give us 25, and 25 will give us 15. So we are having, let's move to this side, we are having 1 over v equals to 25 minus 15 will give us 10. 10 over 375. So v times 10 equals to 375. We can see, so we make, that means v will now be equals to 375 divided by 10. So our v will be 37.5 centimeter. You can see from the formula, I'm able to substitute. I have it there. What I did was to find the LCM of 15 and 25, multiply it together. How many 15 will you see in 375? 15. And how many 25 will you see in 375? That is, have it, 25, 15. You subtract it from each other. You have your 10 and you have it. So, and that's what we have here. So we have gotten the image distance, which is V. We move on to B now, which is linear magnification. Magnification is talking about image distance over object distance. And from what we calculated the other time, our image distance calculated was 37.5 and the object distance given 25. So magnification is going to be the division, and we have the answer is 1.5. It does not have unit because image distance given in centimeter and object distance in centimeter, which cancels each other. Please, because for every answer, there must be a reason or reason. So the magnification does not have unit because of the unit of the given data, which cancels each other. So we move on to, we're asked to determine the image height. Image height. Now for image height, you know that our magnification equals to image height over object height. And we have been given our image, magnification, we are already aware of our magnification to be 1.5. So we don't know our image height. That's what we are asked to look for. But our object height happens to be 10. So in other words, our image height equals to 15 times 10. And that is 1.5 rather. 1.5 times 10. That one will give us 15 centimeter. Why is it carrying unit? I told you for every answer there must be a reason or reason. It's carrying unit because magnification does not have a unit, but the object height is carrying a unit of centimeter. And that is why it is. Image height is carrying 15 centimeter. Now, having done, then I have a question which you need to practice to actually ascertain if teaching and learning has taken place. And this is the question you're going to practice. A converging lens produces an image twice the size of the object placed in front of the lens. If the focal length of the lens is 10 centimeters, calculate the object distance. I believe you can do justice to this. I'll be right back in a minute's time. Welcome back again let's look at the practice question. A converging lens produces an image twice the size of the object placed in front of the lens. If the focal length of the lens is 10 centimeters, calculate the object distance. Now I believe you have done justice, but let's check it. Like I said, whatever you are given, number one is bring out your given data. It produces a converging line, produce an image twice. Very important. Look at it. Twice of the size of the object. That means we don't know the V, the image distance, but we are told that the data given, we are given that V is equal to 2U. Why? Because the image twice the size of the object placed in front of, if the focal length, we are given focal length F equals to 10 centimeter. Calculate the object distance. U equals to unknown. Being a converging lens, so we have the lens formula. 1 over U plus 1 over V equals to 1 over F. But don't forget, our V from what we are given, because you must adhere strictly to whatever you are given. The information given says the V is twice the object. So we're going to have, so incorporate it into the equation. 1 over U plus 1 over 2U equals to 1 over F. Looking for the LCM of U and 2U, it's going to give you 2U. How many U will you find in 2U? That is 2. We have the sign plus, then we have 1. So equals to 1 over F. Let's move to this side. Then I have 2 plus 1, 3 over 2U. Sorry, we're given focal length to be 10. 10. 10. 2U equals to 1 over 10. So cross multiplication, you cross multiply, then you have 2U times 1 will give you 2U, then you have 3 times 10. 2U equals to 30. U will now be 30 over 2. And U equals to 15 centimeter. I know you got it. Can you appreciate yourself? That's good. That's good. Keep it up. With this, you can solve other questions.
Eko Learners Support, a support program of the Lagos State Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education for WAEC and NECO candidates.
Yes, haven't done that. For any observation or question, please feel free to send message to us on any of our social media that will be displayed on the screen. Until I come your way again, good day.
Acing your WAEC and NECO examinations has been made easy by the Lagos State Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education with the Eko Learners Support for WAEC and NECO candidates television program. Join seasoned teachers as they take you through these core subjects: mathematics, English language, physics, chemistry, and biology, targeting the exact syllabus of WAEC and NECO. Watch Eko Learners Support for WAEC and NECO candidates on this station. Learners can also connect with Eko Learners Support for WAEC and NECO candidates through these social media platforms to access more educational content and give their feedback. Eko Learners Support for WAEC and NECO candidates. Pass your examinations with flying colors.